Every hospital depends on thousands of supplies being in the right place at the right time. Inventory is spread across dozens of supply rooms and departments, maintained by manual, periodic checks that miss what happens in between. Whether it is barcode scans, RFID, weighted bins, or manual counts, by the time a shortage is discovered, it is already too late. Rush orders follow, costs spike, care delayed. That's why hospitals are turning to Chooch AI. Chooch's autonomous hospital inventory management solution uses camera sensors and computer vision to continuously monitor supply levels and usage across hospital supply rooms. When inventory reaches predefined thresholds, the system automatically triggers reordering alerts and purchase orders. Through the Inventory Control Tower, supply chain teams gain real-time visibility and centralized control, supported by live data and AI-driven recommendations for demand planning. Reduce overstock, stockouts, expired inventory, and emergency ordering. And always get precise usage levels without manual counts. Deployed across hundreds of hospital supply rooms and managing hundreds of millions of dollars in medical supplies, Chooch AI delivers continuous visibility and autonomous control across inventory operations, keeping supply rooms ready for patient care. Autonomous hospital inventory management. Chooch AI.